Do you ever feel like saving money is a constant uphill battle? Like you're always playing catch up, and every time you manage to stash a few bucks away, something unexpected pops up and devours your hard-earned savings? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The struggle to save is real for so many of us. We have the best intentions, we set our goals, but life has a funny way of throwing curveballs. And before you know it, that emergency fund is looking a little less emergent. But what if there was a way to make saving money less of a chore and more of an automatic, almost invisible process? What if you could build your savings without even really thinking about it? That's where Acorns comes in. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns, exploring how this innovative financial app helps automate your savings, making it easier than ever to build a financial safety net, invest for your future, and reach your financial goals. We'll break down its core features, from roundups to recurring investments, and discuss how it helps cultivate positive financial habits. So, if you're ready to transform your approach to saving and investing, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Acorns might just be the financial tool you've been searching for. Let's face it, one of the biggest hurdles to saving is consistency. Life gets busy, and manually transferring money into a savings account often falls by the wayside. This is where Acorns truly shines with its automation features. The cornerstone of Acorns' automation strategy lies in its famous roundups. Imagine this: you buy your morning coffee for $3.75. Acorns automatically rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, in this case, $4, and invests the difference, 25 cents, into your Acorns investment account. It's like finding spare change in your couch cushions, but instead of just letting it accumulate, Acorns puts it to work for you. These small, seemingly insignificant amounts, when aggregated over time, can snowball into substantial savings. The beauty of roundups is their unobtrusive nature. You're not consciously setting aside a large sum of money. Instead, you're painlessly contributing to your investments with every swipe of your debit or credit card. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it method. You link your everyday spending accounts to Acorns, and it does the rest. Whether you're buying groceries, paying for gas, or subscribing to your favorite streaming service, those cents are quietly working for your financial future. This automation tackles the out-of-sight, out-of-mind principle in reverse. Your savings are building in the background, out of your immediate thought process, but constantly growing. But roundups are just the beginning of Acorns' automation prowess. Beyond the micro-investing power of roundups, Acorns also offers recurring investments. This feature allows you to set up automatic, regular contributions to your investment account. You can choose to invest a fixed amount daily, weekly, or monthly. This is where the real power of dollar-cost averaging comes into play. By investing a consistent amount over time, regardless of market fluctuations, you average out your purchase price, reducing the risk associated with trying to time the market. This consistent, automated contribution is a game-changer for building long-term wealth. Think about it. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to see if you have any leftover cash to save, Acorns ensures that a portion of your income is automatically directed towards your investments right from the start. It's like paying yourself first, but with an added layer of automation that eliminates the need for manual intervention. This proactive approach to saving and investing ensures that your financial goals are always a priority, not an afterthought. Another key aspect of Acorns' automation is its diversified portfolio options. When you sign up, Acorns guides you through a short questionnaire to assess your risk tolerance and financial goals. Based on your responses, it recommends one of several diversified portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are comprised of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that hold a mix of stocks and bonds, providing broad market exposure. What does this mean for you? It means you don't need to be an investment expert to start investing. Acorns automates the diversification process, ensuring your money is spread across various asset classes, which helps mitigate risk. You don't have to pick individual stocks or bonds. Acorns handles the heavy lifting of portfolio construction and rebalancing for you. This automation takes the guesswork and the stress out of investing, making it accessible to even the most novice investors. Furthermore, Acorns automates portfolio rebalancing. Over time, as market conditions change, the allocation of assets within your portfolio might drift from its original target. Acorns automatically rebalances your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your chosen risk profile. This means you don't have to constantly monitor the market or make manual adjustments to maintain your desired asset allocation. It's another layer of automation that ensures your investments are always working optimally for you, without requiring any effort on your part. This passive management approach is incredibly beneficial, especially for those who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Beyond the investment side, Acorns also helps automate your financial wellness through its various features. One such feature is Acorns Later, which allows you to set up and contribute to a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as an IRA. This is a powerful tool for automating your long-term retirement savings. Just like with your regular investment account, you can set up recurring contributions, ensuring that your retirement fund steadily grows over time. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Acorns Later makes this crucial step in financial planning incredibly simple and automated. It takes away the intimidation factor often associated with retirement planning, breaking it down into manageable, automated contributions. Then there's Acorns Checking, a checking account designed to integrate seamlessly with your Acorns investment accounts. While not strictly an automation feature in itself, it fosters a more automated financial ecosystem. By having your checking and investment accounts linked within the same app, it simplifies the process of transferring funds, setting up recurring investments, and tracking your overall financial picture. It creates a centralized hub for your money, making it easier to manage your finances holistically. This integration reduces friction and encourages a more consistent approach to both spending and saving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.